Okay, there's the trolley truck. I just ran it a few minutes ago, and I'm rerunning it now. I put a little grease on it. It's a little noisy. It's my first pair of gears. I got the side rails and I got a piece of balsa in between, and I just have to sand that down to get the right height. But I think what I'm going to do is build that into a bridge across, and screw those side frames into that bottom frame that holds the motor, and then I'll strap the motor to it. And there is that. That's it. That's just off. That's 5 volts. You know, it looks like we're going pretty fast, so it could be the gear ratio. If I crank it up, as you can see, it gets all rambunctious, likes to travel around. But by golly, the gear set is working. The thing may go a little too fast. I may have to do something with the gearing. Double gear the sprocket or something, and make sure it doesn't go flying off. I might send this to SpaceX, you know. We might have a launch vehicle here. Okay. The idea was simply have a truck, a universal truck, more or less, or at least the building blocks for a universal truck. That's what I wanted, with all-wheel pickup and power. So from right here, all you need is a rectifier to run off the track. To get reversed, then of course you're going to need some digitals to reverse the circuits. But you know, I think it's a truck. I mean, it could be easily a truck. It could replace an Alco Diesel truck. It could be trucks you put on a custom chassis, and then you go get a body from another modeler in HO and size it up to S, or O gauge and size it down if you're doing any 3D printing. I see this as a chassis that could be used for a number of engine builds, and would give us a lot of flexibility. My mind, I have this as a trolley. I have a trolley in mind. I found a model. I found an HO model, and I'm going to try to scale it up to S, build a chassis, and set these trucks under it as an example. And I would use these trucks. Now, I may need to slow it down. I think you want a bigger gear, I think, so it takes longer to go around, or a smaller worm. But these are pretty okay. These were just homemade threads, nothing fancy. It's an Acme gear thread on a screw, and then I rotated it sideways and cut and pasted into the gear on the bottom. And then I had to do some clearancing. I added about 0.2 millimeters of clearance. I narrowed the teeth here and there because it prints fat and not too accurate. But you know, this isn't too bad. I just don't know. That does look slow though, doesn't it? It looks like a torquey little motor too. Now, I'm going to shut this off. Hold on. Don't let it fly off on me. There we go. I'm going to have another gear set here and another gear there. So it's going to be all-wheel drive. So it could be slow and torquey. And if you had 2 of them, like in an Alco Diesel, you know, you could pull some trains, I'll bet you. I'm going to work on this, and it would be fast. It could go fast. Now, these gears aren't the best. There's plastic to use, but I'm using this as a test, right? I built this in 2 days, basically. I designed it in 1 day and printed it in another day. So this isn't too bad for 2 days, huh? Okay, I'll get back to work. Got some other things. Uh-oh, it's time for our workout. Margaret and I are on a workout plan. We're both trying to lose 5 pounds. We'll see who loses it first. I got a hunch I can lose 5 pounds faster. I don't know why. All right, I'm going to post this, let you guys chew on it and see what you think. I do have other things going on, as you know, and I'm working on various elements of that, and plus the diesel smoke. Oh, wow, imagine a smoke engine in this diesel. Okay, we're getting there. And I got a few other things, but I can't really show you. It's on the other side, and it's a mess. I'm printing new gears, printing a new gear here, for example. And all of this is like SpaceX, you know, you build it, you test it, and then you design another one, you build it. It's really awesome. I just love doing this stuff. Okay, I'll post this up on YouTube and let you guys gawk at it and see what you think. Later.